Preparation is key for any repair. For suspension repairs, it helps a lot to spray some sort of rust penetrant or lubricant spray on the bolts or fasteners you'll be removing for the repair. Especially if they're rusted, but even if they're not.
I really prefer PB Blaster, but this is all I have right now. So I'm gonna use this because it's better than nothing. Honestly, these don't even look like they have any, like, they would give me any issues. Oh no. But better safe than sorry. This will help regardless. Much more space now.
And now, that can set in while I do other things to prep for the repair. The more time it has to penetrate the rust and debris, the better.
They don't have any right here underneath them, but they do have some right here. These ones and these ones. 310. I don't see what I'm looking for, but that's okay. I got the main thing I needed. Oh, they look so cool sitting right there. I will be back for one of these and one of these. Oh, no worries. Thank you. Now it's the right one. That was wild. But I got it. Exactly what I wanted. Also got a free bucket. So that's what's up.